Hello everyone, welcome to 𝗃𝗏𝗯𝗶 Productions. You guys have already composed the bullets for your Sindhi or Urdu language document. All your text is in Arabic letters, except the numerals. Of course, this is embarrassing. Also, there's one more problem. The direction of characters is left to right, not right to left. No matter how hard you try it, these bullets don't start from the right side. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to get the Arabic bullet numbers following the character direction right to left, without the need of installing Arabic version of Adobe InDesign. And don't miss out the last part of this tutorial, because this is the crucial step to achieve the final goal. Let's get started. I'm going to use this Sindhi bulleted paragraphs. I had already composed two paragraph styles. First one for the bulleted headings, and second one for body text paragraphs. Since we are concerned about bullets, I'm going to focus only on bulleted paragraph style. Step number 1. Change the language. To change the language, you need to edit bulleted paragraph style settings. First, open Paragraph Styles panel. To do that, go to Window, Styles, and then choose Paragraph Styles. Shortcut key is F11. Right-click on Headings Bullet Paragraph Style and choose Edit. First of all, make sure your preview is on. Otherwise, you won't be able to see real-time changes. So, check it. From this list, go to Advanced Character Formats. From Language drop-down menu, choose Arabic. Go to Justification Settings. Make sure your composer is set to Adobe World Ready Paragraph Composer. If you want to learn more about justification, then I've added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. Then click OK. You should be able to see Arabic numbers. If that didn't work, then follow step 2. Step number 2. Install Adobe InDesign Middle Eastern version. Normally, in InDesign, you don't get to see these two options anywhere in your workspace. Left to right text direction and right to left text direction. But when you install Middle Eastern version, your paragraph panel will get these two additional buttons. These options help you align your bullets right or left depending on your language text direction. When you are about to install InDesign in your PC, you will have this language options drop-down menu. You can select Arabic, Persian, Hebrew, or any other similar language. In most cases, InDesign does not have these languages available in this list. In that situation, follow step number 3. Step number 3. Run the scripts. We need to run some scripts in InDesign. You can download these scripts from the link in description. Go to website Andrew Hes. Scroll down, then click here, download the scripts. If your PC doesn't allow the download, right-click on the download and choose Allow Download. You need to unzip the file. You will see these JavaScript XML files, also known as JSX files. Copy all these JSX files. If your Windows is installed in C drive, then go to C drive. If your Windows is installed in D drive, then go to D drive. In my case, it is C drive. Then go to Program Files, Adobe, Adobe InDesign, Scripts, Scripts Panel, Samples, JavaScript. Paste your JSX files over here. Close it. You need to reopen Adobe InDesign. After it is opened, you need to open Scripts Panel. To do that, go to Window, Utilities, and choose Scripts. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-F11. Open Application, open Samples, open JavaScript. Right-click on R2L script, choose Run Script. Then run all these R2L scripts. But when you run R2L paragraph style Arabic script, RTL Arabic paragraph style will be created in your paragraph styles panel. All you need to do is apply RTL Arabic paragraph style to bullet. But before that, I need to edit this paragraph style. I want to have same font settings as bullets paragraph style. In basic character formats, let's change the font to 𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗂𝗏. I'm going to increase the font size as well. Now set the language to Arabic. Go to Bullet Cell Numbering. Choose Numbers. Click OK. See, now the direction of bullets is right to left, but the numbers are still in English format. Don't worry, go to Scripts panel. Run the 𝗓𝗏𝗃𝗂𝗶𝗴𝗃 style. 𝗓𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 style will show up in your paragraph styles panel. Apply this style to each bullets. I am going to edit this paragraph style. 𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗃𝗂𝗃 font style. Increase the font size. And change the language to Arabic. In justification settings, make sure your composer is set to Adobe World Ready Paragraph Composer. Go to Bullets and Numbering. Choose Numbers. Alignment right. Click OK. See, now you have Arabic letter bullets with right to left text direction. It is that simple. One last thing that I want to show you is that not all Sindhi fonts support Arabic letters. For example, let's edit this paragraph style in basic character format. If I change the font to 𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗃𝗂𝗃, see, the numbers are back in English format. Now, as I change the fonts, you can judge some fonts support Arabic numerals and some don't. After you are satisfied with the font, click OK. That's all you need to do. Now, if you want to do same thing in Urdu, make sure you translate this entire text in Google Translate. Then change the PC language to Urdu. Draw the text frame, copy the text from Google Translate, and paste it in Adobe InDesign. Let's duplicate both of these paragraph styles. Let's write Urdu next to each paragraph style's name. Apply headings Urdu to headings and body text Urdu to description. Edit headings Urdu paragraph style, go to basic character format. Then change the font style to simplified Arabic or any other Urdu font. Click OK. That's it. Let's do the same for body text paragraph style. Let's change the font to Adobe Arabic. Click OK. See, now we have Arabic numerals. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗃𝗏𝗯𝗶𝗃𝗂𝗹𝗃@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, 𝗃𝗏𝗯𝗶 Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, 𝗃𝗏𝗯𝗶 Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.